Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today I thought I would film some house update stuff because already several things have changed since the video I filmed. Our washer and dryer is here. The couches arrived today, which is wild. They weren't supposed to be here until August. They arrived today, which is very exciting, so I'll include that. And then what else do we have going on? We get quotes tomorrow for Closet America, and then maybe I'll just make this like an extended update type of video into next week because we're supposed to get TV next week. We weren't planning on buying the TV this soon, but we ended up finding a really good deal, so the TV should come next week. I have a new hamper coming next week, so I'm gonna just make this a little over the next week home updates kind of video. So here is the living room right now. We have cleared everything out in preparation of the couch coming today. I need to vacuum a little bit just to make sure there's no debris, but like everything is basically just everywhere right now on the table. Austin even moved a couple things upstairs, so it's kind of remaking a mess to finalize the organization, if that makes sense. I'm really excited. I hope the color is everything I thought it would be, and I'm just super excited. So couch will be here sometime between 10 and 12 according to delivery instructions. And then over this way, like literally when I say stuff is everywhere, I mean like everywhere. You will see lots and lots of piles of laundry on the floor. Already sorted everything, but the new washer and dryer. These weren't the ones I wanted, but they're the ones that fit because this room, I don't know if the guy who bought and flipped the house made this room or if this was actually a part of the original design because the houses aren't that old, but it's a very tiny room. You have to get very specifically dimensioned washer and dryers, and like you even lose a few inches because the tray they put down there is taking up extra space. So that's at least like 2.5 extra inches we can't use. But I'm so excited. I literally did loads and loads of laundry yesterday, and I hope I can get through most of it today. I don't have as much hanging space for delicates or air dry specific stuff anymore. So I won't be able to do as much of that. That's the stuff that's definitely going to take me the longest. But I'm excited that I can get all of that done. So, flip you around. Turn around because I get better lighting this way. That is the update so far. I cannot wait to show you guys the couches. I'm so excited. And yeah, I think you'll be very pleased with my TV choice too. And when I tell you about how much we're actually spending on this TV, which is the best. So I will check in soon. Time for an update. Our couch is here. I don't know if this color just does not capture on camera well because I'm looking at the screen and it looks way yellowy and browner than it is in person. This is very like bright green. And you know, I did the same thing on my phone while I was sending pictures. It's so weird. But our couch is here and I love it. Over on this side where Miss Fran is lying, we have the Chase. Oh, you want to say hi? Did you want to say hi, baby? Yeah. Sweet girl. Then I'm giving this mirror to a friend, which works out really well. We got a grill. We haven't assembled it, but it is there. So those are the two major updates in the past couple days. I put this table over here. That was in the original house. I haven't bought any tables. And this little table here. I had it sitting next to it right there, but I think I like the way that looks better. So then I don't know what I'm going to do with this table yet. Haven't decided. I also have a couple things washed and actually put away where I want them. So I'm going to show you that in a minute too. So, since we got the washer and dryer, I was finally able to wash the shower curtain. So that is up. I think it ties in everything together really nicely. So, very happy about that. And like I said, that's just the one we had in the house previously. So, works really well. I highly doubt anyone's ever even gonna shower in this bathroom, but it looks cute. The other thing, or two things, is I finally got our bath mats washed. So I've got one in front of the shower and one in front of the bathtub. And I really, really like how it looks with just the plain white shower curtain. I think that looks really good. So these are the ones we had in the old house too. So that worked out well. Hey y'all, popping in for another update about the house. So I think I had mentioned that we had ordered a TV, or if I didn't, I'm just gonna go through the story again now. So there was a Samsung TV that was on sale during Prime Day, and the Samsung website was matching the sale, and I have a friend that works at Samsung who purchased it for us and got her discount. So we were expecting this TV to come, but I hadn't gotten any shipping updates, so I'm like, what is going on? And the order was just randomly canceled. She spoke with customer service, tried to put it through again, and it got canceled again. So there's a service ticket in on that now, and I don't know if we'll end up getting that TV or not. I don't know, because it was kind of expensive to begin with, so getting it at a sale price would have been really nice, but we'll see. I don't know if we'll just decide to get it with just her discount and not the sale. I'm thinking it probably kept getting canceled because it was a special sale on top of an employee discount. So that's my thought process, but no one on customer service could tell her why the heck the order kept getting canceled. So that's annoying, but our old TV still works just fine, so it's not like the end of the world. And then also Thursday we had the Closet America consultant come in and quote 3 closets and a pantry. And it's, I mean, anyone who has ever had a custom closet built out with like quality products knows it's very expensive. So it was pretty pricey. I think the consultant is supposed to call me back today, so hopefully I'll be hearing from her and we should be confirming what we're going to do. Austin doesn't want to do any of it because it costs money, and he's just like, he doesn't want to do anything that costs money. But I know these closets and the cheap wire rack product they put in these closets is on a time crunch. It's only a matter of time till these collapse. I'm fairly certain. They are so cheap. I wish wire shelving didn't exist. I think it is a terrible invention, but it is a terrible product. It is a shit product. They shouldn't even sell wire closeting because it is crap. Absolute crap. I will stand on a rock and preach that sermon for days and days and days on end. So let me stop myself. Yeah, I hate wire closets. So I think we're going to do the 3 closets and not the pantry, because even though it's good, solid product, even with a returning customer discount, because we did do a Closet America build out in the last house, it would still be almost like $900 for the pantry. And I really think Austin and his dad could do that in an afternoon with maybe not as fancy quality product, because we definitely need the wire racks, the wire shelving taken out of the pantry, but I think that can be done a lot cheaper and not be a total headache, whereas building out the way that I want things built out in the closets and to the exact dimensions, that's going to be a pain in the ass and a headache, and still be a lot of money whether we have someone build it out or we do it ourselves. So I think we're going to do the 3 closets and call it a day. But they're like 10 to 13 weeks out, so it probably won't be like till September, October that we even get it done. Hopefully the closets hold out that long, so we'll see. I'm excited about that though. I will say Closet America, while expensive, is a great investment. They give you like 4 life guarantees on products. If you want to change something around, they will come out and change it around for you. It's just a really good company, and I've had nothing but good experiences. And the returning customer discount is like pretty damn sweet. So that is a whole other thing. And then what else happened around the house? Oh, the last thing I wanted to share with you guys is that I put the grill together. I think I'll take you down out on the deck and show you the grill. Actually, I just put the cover on the grill. Maybe I won't take you down because I don't want to take the cover off because it's hot this week. We were getting a heat wave this week. Quite frankly, I just don't want to stand on the deck because it's hot. I put on socks the other day to stand on the deck to try and buffer the heat, and the heat just went right through the socks. It was awful. But I put the grill together all by myself, with the exception of Austin picking up the heavy piece and putting it where I needed it. But it was a very girl power moment. So I killed that, and yeah, I think that's all we've got going on. Oh, actually, I could show you this. We did order a hamper, one with like 3 different divider thingies, and that I put that together this morning. So that is officially in our closet in the bedroom now. So actually, I'm going to take you and show you that. Here is the hamper. I got this from Target. It has wheels. The 2 front wheels have brakes on them, so you can lock it in place if you have your hamper sitting on like hardwoods or something, so it doesn't roll around. On the carpet, it's not really as big an issue, and I'm really glad it's got 3 different containers. And I picked this one specifically because the edges of these baskets have some body to them, so once they're full, they will sit on their own, which I really like, so I can pick it up. The handles are really nice, and they're padded, and I can carry it down, and it will sit on its own in the washroom and not collapse over. A lot of them had like less rigid baskets that looked like the second you set it down, it's going to flop over, and the laundry's going to go all over the floor. So I'm right now using these for like heavy stuff, so towels, jeans, hoodies, jackets, anything like that needs to be cleaned. My delicates, and then just regular laundry. And I can sort by color myself. I don't find that to be an issue, but sorting between the different load types is how I like to do it. So I can link that down below. Like I said, that's from Target, and it was very easy to put together. I put it together in like maybe 5 minutes this morning, so not bad. Not bad at all. So I think that's everything I'm going to share in this home moving update type of video. I don't know if I'll do another one anytime soon, just because I think at this point we're fairly settled. But if we do make any new changes around the house, I'll compile some clips and make another video. We'll see. If you're interested in more of a vlog type style video where I show you things that we're up to on this channel, let me know. It's something I could probably put together, because we're always doing something. But otherwise, if you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. And otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye!